How many hours are actually spent writing code? And how many are lost just switching tools every day? Studies show developers waste 40% of their working time, nearly 4 out of 10 hours, moving between editors, terminals, chats, and dashboards. That single number explains why the Codex app is gaining attention by bringing everything into one command center. Inside the Codex app, all projects appear on one side of the screen in a clear list. Each project shows what tasks are completed, which ones are running, and what is still pending. There is no need to remember task status manually. Everything stays visible at all times. Some tasks finish quickly, while others take longer. Codex supports both without pressure. Tasks continue running even when switching between projects. This structure helps manage large workloads without confusion. Over time, this organization saves hours of unnecessary checking. Clean structure leads to smoother progress. How often does unclear task status slow work down? The main conversation panel is where instructions are given to Codex. Instead of complex commands, Codex understands simple language. Tasks can be started by typing or speaking naturally. There is no need to explain every technical detail. Codex understands the goal and plans the execution internally. Once work begins, progress appears live on the screen. Each step is visible and easy to follow. This creates trust in the system. Nothing feels hidden or mysterious. The conversation panel is also used for feedback and changes. Does seeing progress in real time make delegation easier? Adding new features usually requires planning, research, and repeated testing. Codex simplifies this by handling setup automatically. When a feature request is given, Codex selects the correct APIs, structures the logic, and integrates it into the project. Manual searching and configuration are reduced. The focus stays on what the feature should do, not how to wire it. This speeds up development without lowering quality. Feature building becomes smoother and less tiring. Over time, this reduces burnout. Would feature requests feel lighter if setup work disappeared? Codex supports running tasks across multiple projects at once. While one project builds a new feature, another can update dependencies or migrate systems. These background tasks no longer block progress. Updates that are usually postponed get handled on time. Codex manages changes carefully and reports progress clearly. Even complex updates run without interrupting other work. This parallel workflow increases efficiency. Projects move forward together instead of waiting in line. How many updates are delayed simply due to time pressure? Some tasks naturally take longer to complete. Large refactors and migrations cannot be rushed. Codex allows these long-running tasks to operate independently. There is no need to watch or wait. Work continues in the background while attention shifts elsewhere. Once finished, results are ready for review. This introduces a healthier rhythm to development. Constant hands-on control is no longer required. Supervision replaces micromanagement. This shift improves focus and reduces fatigue. Does stepping back from constant monitoring feel productive? When a task completes, Codex presents all code changes using clear diffs. Every modification is visible line by line. Nothing is auto-approved without review. Inline comments can be added directly to specific sections. Feedback can be given or revisions requested easily. This keeps quality control strong. For deeper inspection, code can still be opened in native tools. Codex supports existing workflows instead of replacing them. Review becomes faster and cleaner. Is visual diff-based review easier than manual file scanning? After reviewing changes, apps can be built and tested directly inside Codex. There is no need to switch tools for validation. Mobile apps can be launched in simulators to confirm new features. A single instruction can result in a working screen. This short feedback loop improves confidence. Testing becomes part of the same flow as building. The experience feels smooth instead of fragmented. Faster testing keeps momentum alive. Does quicker validation improve creative flow? Visual projects like web apps require close attention to user experience. Codex allows the conversation panel to stay alongside live previews. Changes can be requested while watching updates happen instantly.
Animations, layouts, and progress indicators can be refined without switching screens. This keeps focus on the product. Visual accuracy improves naturally. Design decisions feel more confident. The process feels collaborative rather than mechanical. Does real-time visual feedback make design work easier?
Skills allow Codex to connect with tools already used daily. Design tools like Figma can be integrated directly. Codex reads real design data instead of relying on screenshots. Spacing, typography, and variables are understood accurately. This allows code to match designs closely. Fewer mismatches mean fewer revisions. Skills can also be created for internal tools. This makes Codex adaptable. Would tighter integration reduce unnecessary back and forth? By reading structured design data, Codex understands how components are built. Layout rules and reusable elements are preserved in code. This results in cleaner and more maintainable output. Future changes become easier. Guesswork is removed from design to code translation. This saves time during development and review. Consistency improves across the product. Is structured conversion better than manual interpretation? Every team follows a different workflow. Codex allows custom skills to match those workflows. These skills can automate internal processes or enforce standards. Teams can build skills that understand specific tools. Codex adapts instead of forcing change. Over time, friction reduces. Workflows feel smoother and predictable. Custom skills evolve with the team. Would a tool that adapts feel more natural? Skills can be turned into automations that run silently in the background. Bug triage, alert handling, and ticket sorting can happen automatically. Codex handles these at fixed intervals or based on triggers. This frees time for meaningful work. Interruptions reduce. Small automations create large savings over time. How much time could automation save every week? Codex uses isolated environments called work trees. Each task operates in its own copy of the codebase. This prevents conflicts and accidental issues. Multiple agents can work in parallel safely. Experimentation becomes easier. Trying new ideas does not risk stability. Innovation increases. Work trees simplify collaboration. Does isolation encourage better experimentation? Heavy tasks can be delegated to the cloud using the same Codex interface. Local systems stay responsive while work continues remotely. This is useful for long builds and analysis. Progress remains visible at all times. Cloud execution adds flexibility. Work is no longer tied to one machine. Would offloading heavy tasks improve efficiency? Sam Altman openly shared how using the Codex app felt strange and emotional, saying it gave better feature ideas than expected, and even made him feel a little useless. A rare and honest reaction from an AI CEO. Around the same time, he also revealed that the Codex app crossed 200,000 downloads in a single day, calling the launch a clear win. In another widely shared moment, Altman described building a magic auto-completing to-do list using Codex agents that quietly finish tasks over time. He later expanded on Codex's future, explaining that it will move beyond coding into general knowledge work and computer control, acting as a unified AI across devices. AI commentator Rune summed up the shift bluntly by saying, "Insiders no longer program, but simply yell at Codex agents," highlighting how fast workflows are changing. Adding to this momentum, the OpenAI developers account announced new Codex features like IDE extensions, cloud-to-local task movement, and GitHub code reviews powered by GPT-5 at OpenAI devs. Together, these posts show Codex moving from a coding tool into a full-scale work agent. The Codex app changes how software work feels. Less time is spent on repetitive typing. More time goes into refining ideas. Execution becomes smarter while control stays human. This balance improves productivity and satisfaction. Tools fade into the background. Focus stays on outcomes. Building feels creative again. Is this how modern development should evolve? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.